Hi there, welcome to the Ukulele channel and welcome to this demonstration and tutorial for my chord melody arrangement of Oh How Lovely Is the Evening, which is available for both GCEA and DGBE Ukulele for free on my website at ukestuff.info, no strings attached. You don't have to sign up for an email list or anything, it's just there to download. In this video, first of all, I will demonstrate the song on GCEA Ukulele, then I'll demonstrate it on DGBE Ukulele, then I will do a tutorial for GCEA Ukulele, and then I will do a tutorial for DGBE Ukulele. If you want to support my work on YouTube and in the ukulele world, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to my two YouTube channels, the Uke Stuff channel, which is what you're watching this on, and the Uke Playlongs channel. And then finally, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like Chord Melody, I also have two books of Chord Melody for sale on buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff, on the Apple Bookstore, on Amazon Kindle, and in print from Amazon. All right, let's do a demonstration of the song on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. You can play this as a round, so if you have some friends that play ukulele, just start 6 measures apart from each other and just keep going until you don't want to go around anymore. Just keep playing the last 6 measures until everybody's done. Just as with GC Ukulele, just want to remind you that if you have some friends that play ukulele, you could play this as a round too. So one person would start 6 measures later. When the first player got to measure 7, the second person would come in and so forth. When you get to the end of the song and you're done repeating it as many times as you want to, just play the last 6 measures until everybody's done. All right, let's do a tutorial for GCEA Ukulele. Truthfully, this is a combination of basically 2 chords, although there is a partial C chord thrown in as well. You've got your F chord, sometimes the F chord with the pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. You'll have a B flat chord, and you're going to see 3 iterations of that. You're going to see the standard B flat chord where you cover the 1st and 2nd strings at the 1st fret, and you pull against the fretboard like this. And then you add the thumb for some light support, and then 2 fingers. It's a pull rather than a pinch. That's really important. You'll see a variation of that one as well, where the 1st finger will play the 2nd string 1st fret, 2nd finger will play the 3rd string 2nd fret, and the ring finger will play the 4th string 3rd fret, playing strings 3, 2, and 1. You'll see that. And then the other one that's kind of fun is a B flat chord that's made like a G at the 5th fret, play strings 3, 2, 1. And if you can play those chords, you pretty much have the whole song. So let's do it. You start with an F chord, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Then I put down my ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Full F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. B flat chord, we've already talked about that. F chord, another F chord. 2nd string 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Full B flat chord, F chord, another F chord, 2nd string 3rd fret, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now, full F chord, C7, F chord with the pinky on the 1st string 3rd fret. Lift up the pinky, play the normal F chord. Now, jump up and play that G chord at the 5th fret, strings 3, 2, and 1. That's the B flat chord up there. F chord with the pinky, another F chord with the pinky. 1st string 1st fret, F chord normal. Back up to that 5th fret, strings 3, 2, and 1. F chord with the pinky. Repeat that. 1st string 1st fret, F chord. Now, F chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Repeat that. Now switch to a B flat chord with only strings 4, 3, and 2. Back to the F chord, back to the B flat chord, back to the F chord. And that's Oh How Lovely Is the Evening on GCEA Ukulele. All right, now let's do a walkthrough or a tutorial on Oh How Lovely Is the Evening on baritone DGBE Ukulele. In truth, it's really a 2-chord song, although there is a G chord thrown in as well. You're going to need the C chord. You're going to need parts of the C chord, like strings 4, 3, and 2. And you'll also need a C chord where you put the pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Then you'll need an F chord in 3 different ways as well. The F chord covers strings 1 and 2 right above the metal 1st fret. Pull against the fretboard like this. Add your thumb for some light support and add 2 fingers. That's the F chord normal. You'll also have a situation where you're going to play the F chord with just 3 fingers. So the 1st finger will play the 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the ring finger, 4th string, 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. And you'll also play an F chord by going to the 5th fret and playing a D shape. Play strings 3, 2, 1. If you can do those chords, you've got most of the song. So let's walk through it. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Add the ring finger to the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Play strings 4, 3, and 2. Full C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, F chord, C chord, another C chord, 2nd string, 3rd fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, F chord, 2 C chords, 2nd string, 3rd fret, C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now, keep going, 2nd line, measure 7, C chord, G7, C chord with the pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret, lift up the pinky, jump up to the 5th fret, play a D shape at the 5th fret, strings 3, 2, and 1. C chord with the pinky, 2 of those. 1st string, 1st fret, C chord, D chord shape at the 5th fret again, strings 3, 2, 1. C chord with the pinky on the 1st string, 3rd fret. 2 of those. 1st string, 1st fret, C chord. Now, a bunch of C chords and then that F chord with only 3 fingers. So we'll play the C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Switch to that F chord with 3 fingers. Back to the C chord. Back to the F chord with 3 fingers. C chord with 3 fingers. And again, on that bottom line of the song, you're only playing strings 4, 3, and 2. And that's Oh How Lovely Is the Evening on baritone DGBE Ukulele. Thank you so much for joining me for this demonstration and tutorial of Oh How Lovely Is the Evening for GCEA and DGBE Ukulele. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.